Today, we are taking a relaxing walk along Las Canteras beach, one of the most famous places in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. Las Palmas is the capital of Gran Canaria and one of the largest cities in the Canary Islands. It is a busy city on the Atlantic coast. But one of the best things about Las Palmas is that the ocean is always close. And Las Canteras is probably one of the best places to enjoy this side of the city. Las Canteras is around 3 kilometers long. On one side, you have a long sandy beach and the Atlantic Ocean. On the other side, there is a promenade with cafes, restaurants, small shops, and apartments. You can be walking through the busy streets of Las Palmas, and just a few minutes later, you can be here, next to the ocean. This mix of city life and beach life is what makes Las Canteras special. Las Canteras is not only a beach for tourists. It is also an important part of everyday life in Las Palmas. In the morning, you can see people walking or running along the promenade. Some people come here for a swim before starting their day. Later, the cafes become busier. Families come to the beach, and people meet with friends or simply sit on the sand and watch the ocean. Even though we are in a large city, life here feels a little slower. One of the most interesting natural features of Las Canteras is La Barra. It is a natural rock formation that runs parallel to a large part of the beach. La Barra protects much of the shore from stronger Atlantic waves and creates calmer water close to the beach. Because of this, some areas of Las Canteras are great for swimming and snorkeling. At low tide, more of La Barra becomes visible, and the beach looks a little different. As we continue our walk, the beach slowly changes. Some parts are wide and sandy, with calm water and families relaxing by the sea. Other parts are more open to the Atlantic Ocean. Near the southern end of the beach, close to the Alfredo Kraus Auditorium, the waves are stronger, and you can often see surfers in the water. So even during one walk, you can see different sides of Las Canteras. Las Palmas also feels very different from the typical tourist resorts of the Canary Islands. This is a real city where people live, work, and study. There are busy streets, old neighborhoods, local markets, restaurants, and cafes. You can spend the morning exploring Vegeta, the historic area of Las Palmas, have lunch somewhere in the city, and later come back here for a walk by the ocean. And as the day gets closer to sunset, Las Canteras becomes even more beautiful. You don't really need a plan to enjoy Las Canteras. You can simply walk, stop for a coffee, go for a swim, sit on the beach, watch the surfers, or find a place with a view of the Atlantic and stay here until sunset. This is a place that is best enjoyed slowly. And maybe this is what we like most about Las Canteras. City life and the Atlantic Ocean come together here in a very natural way. You're in the middle of a large city, but you can finish your day like this, walking along the beach and watching the sun go down over the ocean. If you visit Gran Canaria, Las Canteras is definitely worth your time. For now, let's enjoy the last moments of the day by the Atlantic.